Welcome back to Pixel Developer. In today's video, we're diving deeper into our Jetpack Compose real-world project series. And trust me, you're gonna love what we've built next. So today, we're introducing a brand new app we've been working on. Say hello to CompoSys. One tool, all your system information. From your device hardware specs, CPU usage, RAM status, to live sensor data. Everything you need, all in one place. Oh, and before I forget, we've just launched a brand new playlist right here on the channel called Jetpack Compose Projects Real World Series. Let me show you real quick. This playlist is dedicated to building and showcasing real-world apps using Jetpack Compose, just like the one you saw today. We'll tackle actual problems, solve real use cases, and drop complete working projects you can learn from or even build upon. And guess what? You can even suggest your own project ideas in the comments, and I might just build them in upcoming videos. Whether you're just starting out with Compose or already building apps, this series is the place to get inspired and see Compose in action. With CompoSys, you can analyze your device like never before. Want to know how fast your phone is charging? Curious about your battery health, CPU speed, or sensor data? Or maybe you're a dev or power user who just loves knowing every tiny speck of your phone. We've got you covered. Features include CPU usage, frequency cache info, battery info with real-time charge rate, OS version, build and kernel details, GPU, RAM and storage usage, live sensor readings, yes, live, and detailed info about your display, hardware, and more. And here's something super useful. CompoSys isn't just about showing you data. It actually lets you test your device's hardware and sensors in real time. You can fully test all the essential sensors in your phone, including light sensor. See how your device reacts to brightness. Shake sensor. Yes, it detects when you shake your phone. Compass orientation sensor. Test rotation, direction, and orientation. Acceleration sensor. Shows movement and physical activity detection. Proximity sensor. Check if your phone detects nearby objects. And it doesn't stop there. We've also added hardware component tests, including front and back camera testing. Check your camera hardware and info. Vibrator test. Make sure your vibration motor is working properly. Flashlight toggle, screen info, signal strength, and many more to come. Light sensor shake detection compass. Orientation camera. Testing, vibrator test, proximity motion, and more coming. It's like a full device health check right in your pocket. So whether you're a developer, a tester, or just curious about how your phone works, this tool has everything you need. Alright, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.